This is Pam from NortheastWheelsEvents.com at the 2024 Import Carlisle Swap Meet. Let's take a walkabout. Yes, that is Morgan, folks. That is Morgan. We got some Triumph over there. Oh, jeez. That's beautiful. That is great. Wow. Packing it up. More inside. Little Miata hardtop, 2100, includes latch, seals, headliner, and rear defroster. Whole bunch of Miata stuff, BMWs. Wow.
Just in case anything comes along.
Axles for, I'm not sure. Oh, all Miata. Okay, there we go. That answers that. And you have to remember is that Miata now was introduced in 1990. It's a 34-year-old car. $50 on that blower, geez. $125 for that one. Not Mazda speed, okay. Boosters, calipers. Whew. Our speed instrument, hood gauge hood is $65. That's great. Jeez. Not only can you make your Miata go fast, but you also can make it look decent. So next year, plan to get here. Got some Jaguar parts over here. XK120, 17-inch steering wheel, $200. Nice. Mark 7, 8, and 9 complete parts cars. Wow. That's for the Mark 5. Interesting dash, $100. That's curious. I love the sedans. They are so cool. Got the valve covers. Rear deck lids. That's the XK150. That's late. XK150 for $400. Damper for $75. Mark 5 intake pelham. Wow. Oh, look at the dash. So British. Look at the way how it's wired. That is so cool. Only the Brits, folks. Only the Brits. Now that is a great buy. That is gorgeous. Just gorgeous.
Picture?
I'm shooting video right now.
Oh, you got a video? Okay.
Yes. Which Citroen do you have?
I have a CX and an SM.
Very good. Very
Nice
good.
seeing you.
That's great. VW heater boxes. Neat. Look at this girl. That is so cool. Who's the body from? Who made the body? Thunder Ranch?
Yep. It's on the windshield.
Let's take a look-see. There she is. Thunder Ranch. $5,000 or best offer. I presume it's on a Type 1 chassis?
Yeah, 71 Beetle.
That is so demented. That's so cool.
Different.
That's for sure. Nice. I like that offset of the steering wheel. That's interesting. Too cool. Beautiful. Thank you. Some common gear glass, $1.25. That's the shield back glass and the side glass. We got a free box. Citroen parts here. Citroen CX, $75.
Yeah, pretty wild, right?
How about a 79 Shadow? It's got some paint issues, but not bad. Very nice interior. I don't like the rear tint, but that's personal. I'm curious about the suspension. Silver wrap 2, so that's good. The 2s are better. Nice car. Asking 95. 9,500. Just so you're clear.
That side must be inside.